we condemn in the strongest terms possible the idea of abductions, abducting young people and taking them to torture, keeping them incommunicado for so many days, causing too much distress to the parents, particularly at this time when people are celebrating Christmas, New Year. This kind of practice, we thought, were completely buried with the old constitution. We don't want to see a return of the Nyayo type of abductions and Nyayo torture house chambers. Those should be consigned permanently to the dustbin of history. We don't want, and I will repeat it again because we are in Christmas and we're going to New Year, because we've seen that even the commissioner,